All right, welcome to day 3 of the 4,000 calorie 21 day challenge. Let me bring you up to speed. We've had a crazy morning so far. Rigel's been crying and pooping. I've been changing diapers, and we had a meeting with our photographer to go over our birth photos so we can kind of pick and choose what we want to put into a birth photo album for Rigel and get a big blown up picture for the wall. We just finished that call. I'm working on clients. I've got a podcast, and I've got a meeting with a Golden Brick winner. Somebody got the Golden Brick ticket. They're getting a trip out here. We're going to have a meeting with them here in just about 10 minutes. Have not yet eaten, but I'm getting kind of hungry. What'd you bring for me for lunch, babe? Chicken. So, let me show what we got. Same thing as yesterday. Is celery in here for me? No. Nope, no celery. That's for Crystal. What about these 3 loose ones? Those aren't for me either?
No, they just fell out.
Alright, so we got the chicken. This is 14 ounces of chicken breast with the 2 ounces of cream cheese. That's what I'm going to eat today, and put some hot sauce on there with a keto brick. And all this other stuff is for you? Alright, so I'm not even going to show it to you. But she's got mustard, she's got ketchup, she's got celery sticks, chicken nuggets, and keto chicken nuggets, obviously, and keto meatballs. So I'm going to eat that with a brick, and then I'm probably going to I'm training in the afternoon today. I'm training at about 3 or 3:30 p.m. Doing back today, so I'm trying to get this in before my podcast, which I don't normally like to do. I don't normally like to eat right before podcast, but we're going to try and just fit all this in and then make it work before time to work out. So today's a little chaotic. Wednesdays are our busiest days, but I'm going to be just kind of getting some clips as we're able, so I'll see you in a bit. All right, y'all, what's going on? Robert Sykes, KetoSavage.com, and we are way behind on the vlog today. I think I've only gotten 1 clip, and today's just been crazy. We've lost power in the building like 5 or 6 times. We're currently doing the live at 5 on our Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook, and Crystal is running the show. We got our Instagram going, we got our YouTube and Facebook going, and I'm going to get back to the live at 5. So, alright, y'all. I feel like I've kind of let y'all down on today's vlog because we just haven't gotten that many clips. I mean, I was going through the footage, and this is like literally the 3rd clip for the 3rd day of the 21-day challenge, which is not a great start. I'm a little rusty on my vlogging, as you can tell. So, I figured what I'd try and do to add more value to this particular vlog is go over my training split a bit. So, typically, I do like an 8-day rotational split in which I'm training 6 days for every 8-day block. I love that protocol. It works out really well. However, I've mixed it up a little bit here lately for a few reasons. One being that we have Rigel. We've got family and friends coming in on the weekend. I don't really want to just leave them and go train because some of them are traveling a pretty good distance to see us. Plus, there's a lot going on right now. So I've been doing like a 5-day split in which I pretty much work out during the weekdays, and then I'm off during the weekends. If there's a slow week, or if there's a crazy week and I miss a day during the week, then I'll come in and make up for it during the weekend. But I've also been training at Ozark Iron Gym. Ozark Iron Gym is the gym that I used to train at before we had our own gym, and it's this really awesome gym. I've been working out with the owner. He's kind of like my workout partner right now for 2 days a week. So on Monday, I go to Ozark, I train there, and I do a quad focus leg day. On Tuesday, I train here, and that is a chest day. On Wednesday, it is a back day. On Thursday, I go to Ozark Iron Gym, and I do a posterior chain day, which is kind of unique to what I typically do. I don't normally do a posterior chain specific day. Normally, I do deadlifts on back day, but since I've been doing deadlifts on posterior chain day, I haven't been doing them on back day. So I've kind of had to acclimate to that. But posterior chain day is basically a really heavy focus on posterior chain. So we do a lot of RDLs, we do a lot of hamstring work, we do a lot of, we do all kinds of things. What are some typical things that we do? We do like a lot of reverse hack squats. We'll do some hamstring and glute focused vertical hack squats. We'll do belt squats with a focus on driving through the glutes. We'll do what are the bridges, hip thrust. I don't know why I was drawing a blank on that. we'll do a lot of really heavy or high volume hip thrusts. We'll do some RDLs, but I'll typically do more of a conventional deadlift on that when everybody else is doing RDLs, simply because I don't do them on back day now. I'm doing them on the posterior chain day. And then we also do a little bit of biceps with the back and a little bit of triceps with the chest. But Friday is pretty much a shoulder day, and then we'll throw in a few arm movements as we're able. But that's pretty much been my workout split as of late. It's been super nice working out with Will, the owner at Ozark Iron. We also have two other people that work out with us, Monica and Eric. They're Will's clients, and I just walked in to see Will one day, and he was working out, and they kind of wrangled me in, or I invited myself in to train with him, and now we've been working out together. So it's a pretty good group there, a lot of camaraderie. Will and I are about the same from I think we weigh about the same. I think he's got like 5 pounds on me. Our strength is pretty much, very similar. So we push each other quite a bit, which is great because we have just a lot of camaraderie there, and we are competitive, but it's very friendly and respectful competition, and we just push each other to be better, but it's a very healthy atmosphere. And then here, I'll train on those other days, and I've been training in the afternoon with our crew. So we just hired 2 new people, Brinson, which is Bryson's brother. You'll meet him soon, and Josiah, no relation to Bryson. And they all work out. They love working out. Josiah's a beast as well. Brinson's a beast too. I mean, honestly, Brinson and Bryson, from a power to weight ratio, is freaking crazy. Like, what they're able to pull, push, and press with how much they weigh blows my mind. Josiah is also incredibly strong. He's like repping, 465, 585 for like pulls and stuff on deadlifts. So just crazy high numbers. So it's cool to have people that love lifting here. So yeah, we've been doing that. And then Thursday also is our MMA day. So we're still doing mixed martial arts with the whole crew on Thursday. So gotta love that. Thursdays are brutal. I'll do the posterior chain day at Ozark Iron, and then I come back here and we do MMA with the group on Thursday afternoon. So that's kind of my training split. I'm gonna eat a keto brick. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna eat more food. So I'll see you then. All right, y'all. That is my final meal for the day. I'm gonna go with the broccoli cheddar soup. Same thing I did last night, basically. So I'm doing 600 grams of it today, though, so a little bit more to make up for the macros, which brings my daily total to 4,022 calories. So just hitting the mark there. Total fat 317 grams. Total carbs 39, and total protein 220. So 73.3% of my total daily calories are coming from dietary fat. That is from the whipping cream in the morning. This is just my meals right here. Whipping cream in the morning. Meal 1 was the brick, the chicken breast, and the butter. Meal 2 is another keto brick, and then this broccoli cheddar soup, 600 grams of that. Then I had 2 of those exogenous ketone servings for 140 calories there. And that pretty much concludes today's 4,000 calories. So I will see y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna chow down on this broccoli cheddar soup, and I'll see y'all tomorrow. Much easier 2 days in a row now of having 2 bricks plus the food, as opposed to just 1 brick and a whole bunch of additional food. Like, I mean, it's hard for me to get all this food down, but at least the bricks are so dense that it makes it a little bit easier to get 2,000 calories right there. So 2,000 calories from the bricks, 2,000 calories from all the food, and then boom, I'm rocking and rolling. So that's the plan. I'm sticking to it. See y'all tomorrow.